Welcome to Lily Toys. Guess the animals from their shadows in 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a seahorses. Seahorses are fascinating creatures that live in the ocean. They are tiny fish that look like they're floating in the water, but did you know they're excellent swimmers? Seahorses use their curly tails to hold onto seaweed and other underwater plants so they don't get carried away by the currents. Another cool thing about seahorses is that it's the dads who have the babies. Male seahorses carry the baby seahorses in a special pouch until they're ready to be born. Seahorses come in many colors and sizes, making them some of the most magical and unique animals in the sea. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a clownfish. Say hello to the colorful clownfish. These little fish are famous for their bright orange bodies and white stripes, just like a clown's costume. Clownfish live among the waving arms of sea anemones, which might look prickly but are their special homes. What's super cool is that clownfish and sea anemones help each other. The clownfish keep the sea anemones clean and safe, while the anemones protect the clownfish from other fish that might want to eat them. These tiny fish are full of energy and curiosity, making them some of the happiest swimmers in the sea. They're like the real-life Nemos from the movie, Finding Nemo. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a hammer shark. Meet the amazing hammerhead shark. These sharks have a very special head shape that looks just like a hammer. It might seem funny, but that head is super useful. Those wide eyes help them see really well, and their head helps them find their favorite food, like fish and squids hiding in the sand. Hammerhead sharks are also great swimmers, and they use their powerful bodies to glide gracefully through the ocean. Even though they look a little bit scary, hammerhead sharks are peaceful creatures and rarely bother humans. They're like the superheroes of the sea, helping keep the ocean ecosystem in balance. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a grouper. Meet the friendly grouper. Groupers are big fish that live in the ocean. They come in many colors, like brown, red, and even spotted patterns. These fish are known for their big mouths and love to hide in the rocks and caves of the underwater world. Groupers are like underwater buddies and often swim in groups. They eat all sorts of tasty things like smaller fish, crabs, and shrimp. Some groupers can grow really, really big as a small car. Even though they might look a bit serious, groupers are gentle giants of the sea and are always fun to spot when you're snorkeling or diving. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a flying fish. Imagine fish that can fly. Well, that's exactly what flying fish do. These special fish have long, wing-like fins that help them jump out of the water and glide through the air. It's like they have their own superpower. Flying fish use this amazing ability to escape from bigger fish that want to eat them. They zoom above the water's surface and can even fly as far as 200 feet. Once they're done flying, they splash back into the sea. Flying fish come in lots of pretty colors, and they add a touch of magic to our oceans with their incredible flying skills. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a queen parrotfish. Say hello to the colorful queen parrotfish. These fish are like the royalty of the coral reefs. Queen parrotfish come in stunning shades of blue, green, and even pink. What's really special about them is that they have strong beaks that they use to munch on the coral. Don't worry though, they don't eat too much, and this helps keep the coral healthy. As they nibble, they also digest tiny plants and algae from the coral, which gives them their vibrant colors. These fish are hard-working reef gardeners, and they play an important role in keeping the underwater world beautiful. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a sea eel. Sea eels are amazing creatures that live beneath the waves. These eels look like long, slippery snakes, but they're actually fish. They come in many colors, from bright yellow to dark brown. Sea eels have a great sense of smell, which helps them find their favorite foods like crabs and small fish. Unlike some eels, sea eels don't have scales, so their skin feels smooth. They like to hide in burrows they dig in the sandy ocean floor and peek out to catch their meals. Sea eels might seem a bit mysterious, but they're just one of the many incredible animals that make the ocean such a fascinating place. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a sunfish. Meet the sunfish, one of the biggest fish in the ocean. Sunfish are like gentle giants of the sea. They have a funny, round shape and can grow to be as big as a small car. These amazing fish love to swim near the surface of the water and bask in the warm sun, which is how they got their name. Sunfish are friendly and peaceful, and they eat tiny sea creatures like jellyfish. They might look a little bit strange, but they're an important part of our ocean world, and they remind us that there are always surprises waiting beneath the waves.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.